In darkness, everyone expects light. Where there is light, there is EagerLED LED display. EagerLED will make your life bright and colorful. Since its establishment in 2009, EagerLED has been focusing on the R&D, production, sales and service of rental LED display and advertising LED screen. Its product application range covers stages, halls, commercial plazas, stadiums, hotels, shopping centers, etc., providing customers with a full range of LED display solutions. Achieving a better life with LED displays is the vision of EagerLED. After years of development, the EagerLED team has accumulated rich experience in the LED display industry and has ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certification certificates. EagerLED has first-class automated production equipment, standard clean automated production workshops, established a systematic and professional LED display production process and quality management system, and continues to provide high-quality products for global customers. With advanced equipment and professional testing process, EagerLED continues to optimize every detail of the product. Every product has undergone professional and rigorous testing, which reflects EagerLED's constant pursuit of high quality. EagerLED provides customers with excellent pre-sales and after-sales services based on the cooperation of different departments such as Sales Department, Technology Department, Quality Department, and Logistics Department, and brings satisfactory customer experience. EagerLED products sell well in more than 90 countries and regions around the world. EagerLED presents the world with technology, making the world bright and colorful.